Are you on a tight budget and looking for an affordable bandsaw? In this video, we will be sharing the top 5 cheap bandsaws in the market. We've researched and tested the most budget-friendly options without compromising quality and performance. Stay tuned as we show you the best deals that you don't want to miss. Don't forget to check the links in the description box for more information and discounts on the products mentioned. Let's get started. WEN 3962T bandsaw. The WEN 3962T is a powerful and versatile band saw that can tackle a variety of cutting tasks in any workshop. Equipped with a 3.5 amp motor and a 9-3/4-inch throat, this saw can cut boards up to 6 inches deep and 9-3/4 inches wide. It operates at 2 speeds of either 1520 or 2620 FEM and uses 72-inch blades from 1/8 to 1/2 inches in size for a variety of intricate and powerful cuts. The spacious work table measures 14x12 to 1/2 inches and can be swiveled up to 45 degrees for angled cuts. This package includes a flexible work light, a 3-in-1 dust port, a fence for straight cuts, a miter gauge for angled cuts, and a stand that can be used as either a floor stand or benchtop application. The ball-bearing design ensures smooth and long-lasting operation, while the easy-to-assemble stand elevates the bandsaw without sacrificing workspace. Backed by a 2-year warranty and a nationwide network of skilled service technicians, this bandsaw a reliable choice for any woodworking enthusiast. WOODSKIL benchtop bandsaw. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and accurate bandsaw, the WOODSKIL benchtop bandsaw is a great choice. With a 3A low-noise induction motor and a 2,500 FPM blade speed, this bandsaw can easily cut through different types of wood and soft metal at a speed of 1,720 RPM, producing clean and accurate cuts. The saw features a sturdy cast aluminum table that tilts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees with a 120 degrees miter gauge, allowing for precise and multi-angle cutting. The maximum cutting depth is 3 to 1/2 inches, and the maximum cutting width is 9 inches, making it a versatile tool for woodworking projects. The double safety switch provides added protection, and the sturdy steel base ensures stability and reduces vibration. The 2 to 1/2 dust exhaust port and dust brush help keep the job site clean and extend the service life of the bandsaw. Finally, this product comes with a 2-year warranty from WOODSKIL, and the manual provides safety tips for smarter use. RIKEN 10305 bandsaw. The RIKEN 10305 bandsaw is a powerful and reliable tool that can easily handle cutting bowl and pen blanks with its 1/3 HP motor. The frame of this bandsaw is made of solid steel plate, which makes it sturdier than other bandsaws that use plastic frames. It features a large 13 to 3/4-inch by 12 to 1/2-inch cast iron table, which is a unique feature in a bandsaw of this size, providing a stable work surface. Additionally, a quality rip fence is included with the saw, which can be easily removed for freehand work. The micro-adjustable guide post enables easy height adjustment with just a turn of a handle, making it a convenient and efficient tool. With a 5-year warranty, this bandsaw is a great investment for any woodworker who needs a reliable, sturdy, and powerful tool. SKIL BLAU 9500 and 100 benchtop bandsaw. The SKIL 2.8 amp 9-inch 2-speed benchtop bandsaw is a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast, with its powerful 2.8 amp induction motor that can easily rip through a variety of wood materials. This bandsaw features precision ball bearing and lower blade guides, ensuring consistent tracking for accurate cutting performance. The rack and pinion table adjustment allows for quick angle adjustments, while the 2-speed drive system features tool-free belt tensioning. The saw's dust port accepts standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses, keeping your work area clean and minimizing dust inhalation. The miter gauge guides the workpiece when making crosscuts, and the steel base stabilizes the bandsaw during use. The blade tracking sight window allows for greater accuracy while cutting irregular shapes. With a quick blade tension setting, you can achieve clean cuts every time. This bandsaw also comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Grizzly Industrial GI 948 bandsaw. The Grizzly Industrial GI 948 bandsaw is an excellent entry-level machine for home or garage setups, or as an easy-to-move auxiliary saw for professional shops. It comes packed with features such as an extruded aluminum fence for ripping normal workpieces or resawing veneers, a combination 2, 3, 4 dust port, and a steel stand with vibration-resistant rubber feet. The saw's 0-45 degrees table tilt enables easy miters, and its 2-speed cutting options provide versatility. Its fully adjustable ball-bearing blade guides prevent blade wander, and the ergonomic oversized knobs make for easy turning. The saw's ribbed poly V-bed ensures power transmission, and the flexible LED work light brightens the workpiece and table. The wheel brush keeps the bottom tire clean, while the extruded aluminum rip fence has a magnified cursor scale for fast and accurate adjustments. This bandsaw also comes with top and bottom ball-bearing blade guides, a durable welded frame with balanced aluminum wheels, and a table that tilts 0 to 45 degrees. Thanks for watching our video on the best cheap bandsaws. We hope you found it helpful in your search for an affordable but reliable option. And as always, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.